Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is uh, that is write a query to get all the orders where customer name neither start with A and nor ends with N. So how we can write it? So first we will break the question, that is write a query to get all the orders. To get all the orders, what we can do? Select. We will write select star from orders. Orders are is our table, and now we will go to the condition part, which is where customer name. So we will break our question in three part. Like this is the first part till here. This is the first part. Now it's the second part, and this is the third part. So we will solve our second part now. What is the condition? On which column the condition is based? So the condition is based on the customer name column. So we will write where customer name, and now we will go to our third part of the question, that is neither starts with A and nor ends with N. So here it is a pattern mentioned here. So we will use like wildcard here. So we will write first. Let me show you what we will get if we write only like, because here it's mentioned neither. So we should use not instead of like. We should use not like. So let's write like inverted comma close and open and close. So first, what is the first word? That is A. So here it is not mentioned how many characters should be in between A and N. So we will write, we will use percent here, because if there is a count of characters were mentioned, then we will use underscore. Like for every character we will use underscore. Like this is the first, second character, two characters, three characters, four characters, five characters, and then we will put though. Then there is like A is the first character, and N will be the sixth or seventh character, and in between there should be only four or five characters. But here it is not mentioned how many characters in between A and N. Then we will use percent here, and it will include all the characters. The count will not be here, so it will give us all the characters, all the names which are starting from A and ending with N. So let's run this query and see how many rows we are getting. So before that, let me show you how many actually the records are available in the orders table. Then we will get the count. The total row number is 9,994. So let's run this, and we will get the we should get the right number of rows. So we are getting 179 rows. What if we will, because as in the question it's mentioned neither start with A nor end with N. So we will just write not in front of like, and we will get our answer. Here you can see there we are getting only customer name starting with A and ending with N. Anthony, Johnson, Andrew, Ellen, right? So now we will run, and we will get all the names which are not starting with A and ending with N. So as you can see, like we are getting an after running this query, we are getting customer name which are starting with A but not ending with E. The same way we are getting, we must have got those name as well where it's starting with M but ending with N. So both the condition are fulfilled. We are not getting those names which are starting with A and ending with N. We are getting only those customer names which is not starting with A and ending with N. This is the pattern. Okay, so we have solved this question. Thank you for watching this.